guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well today. Got the Irish lock picker in the house. Got a lock in this package that I found very interesting. I'm pretty sure this is it anyway. When I saw this, I immediately thought of KNOCKOFF. It was a knockoff. I thought it would be a knockoff of a product. Another lock, another well-made lock. So let's have a look at it. So it's a Dan all brass padlock. Doesn't say where it's made, but I'm fully suspecting that it's Chinese made. And when I saw this online, I'll tell you what made me think that it was a knockoff of an actual Japanese brand, very well made. So there it is there, 60 millimeter. Not a bad lock. It was the inscription on the back. Immediately reminded me of a brand of lock that I featured several times on this channel, the Alpha brand, made in Japan. Now, as you guys know, not a lot of locks are made in Japan. And as soon as I saw this, I knew that it was a knockoff of the Alpha. And right away I can tell sharp edges. Yeah, you could really cut yourself. And this is the Alpha that I referred to. This is a lock that I did feature on the channel. I still have it in its original package. This is quite a few years old, from the 80s. And sure enough, there it is. And there's the inscription on the back that I was referring to that kind of led me to believe that it was a direct knockoff. So this is the Japanese version, a very well made lock. And I thought I'd show them to you today. They look pretty much the same. This Dan looks like it has a bigger shackle. But other than that, what are we talking here? We're talking 8.7 on the Dan, and this is probably just, yeah, 7.7. So a millimeter thicker, 57 and 60 on the Dan. So I thought I would pick that lock up and see what it would take to get into it and just compare the two. The one thing I did notice right off the bat, now that I'm looking at it, is the differences in the keys. It looks to me that the Dan is a 6-pinner. Nice snap to it. As opposed to the Alpha. That's a pretty big difference in keys. So it's definitely a 6-pinner on what I deem to be the knockoff version of this lock. So we're going to have a closer look at it and see if I can get into this one for you guys today and what it's going to take. So it does have a nice snap. Let's see if we could try bottom of the keyway maybe. We'll go with top of the keyway. Let's have a look. Okay, I'm going to count these pins again. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Able to get into it pretty quick. Yeah, that's a 6-pinner, guys. So there it is. 6-pinner. Still a beautiful lock, but like I said, this is what drew me to it. Other than you know what, I would like to see if this thing is shimmable from the core. You know what, let's give it a shot. For those of you who are not familiar with that, there are some locks that you can slide a shim, and I'll show that now. I'm not sure that I'll be able to do it on this one. I know that the Alpha is protected. It's protected by a lip, but some of the cheaper ones are subject to this type of entry because it's not protected. So let's have a quick look at it and see if this shim is going to go in. Just looking at it by eye, I don't know. Let's have a look, see if we can get in here. So the idea is to hold this shim down and feel these pins one at a time and try to get this shim to go down. And well, then you know, it looks like it's shimmable, guys. It looks like it's shimmable. I'm just slowly going to manipulate these pins a little bit. And as you can see, that bloody shim made its way all the way in. I think I'm all the way down. So now you guys can see that the shim has entered through the top there. I think I've got it all the way in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a tension wrench now, put it in the bottom, and there you go. The knockoff version is shimmable. The other thing I notice is it's got a single cutout here. Wondering if this would be, if I could get a shim in there from the shackle. It's a different type of entry. Let's have a look at that. It has a funny locking pole. I don't know if it'll be able to get that shim in there or not, but we'll give it a shot. I'm not surprised that they left that that core unprotected. But this locking pole looks like it's it might not get, the shim might not be able to get around it. Yeah. I might end up breaking this shim. Yeah. Nope. It's got an odd cut to it, so not shimmable. What's even funnier is have a look at this nasty, nasty key that came with it. It's a nice looking key. And definitely a 6-pinner, guys. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. This is the Dan 60mm all brass padlock that definitely appears to be a knockoff of the Japanese-made, very reputable company, Alpha. Spp'd for you today, and by chance, shimmed at the core. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. I appreciate everybody's support. Patience, practice, perseverance, guys. We'll see you at the next one. Thank you.